Hi everybody, it's 4:05 and 26 seconds on August 24th. This is the drawing for the Spider-Man 606 J. Scott Campbell signed cover 9.8 slab. Over here on the left are the 20 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. There's some international participants in this one, I noticed. Should you win, you need to pay the international shipping. This is free shipping inside the United States only. So, number is 12. And away we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here's the final one. 12. Spot 19. Barney Stars. Congratulations. Time is 4:06 and 20.